Do you also receive a lot of customers' messages on WhatsApp and you're still replying manually? Then you are totally wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. You can automate your thousands of customers' messages automatically by using Pabbly Chatflow. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can handle 100 plus customers' messages on WhatsApp by using AI Assistant. So now let me show you how I have created a WhatsApp AI assistant which is going to handle all my customer queries. And now let me firstly show you how this AI assistant is going to work in real time, and afterwards we will proceed towards creating this AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter a message that is, hey, I need help, and this message is going to initiate my AI assistant. So now let me enter this message. So here I have provided this message. Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant which will respond to me within few seconds. So here I'm receiving this message which says, of course I'm here to help. Please let me know what you need assistance with. So here I have created this AI assistant for my e-commerce store, but you can modify this AI assistant according to the business you are running, whether it's any e-commerce business, any service-based business, any clinics, coaches, etc. So now let me enter another question to test this AI assistant to check whether it's respond to my queries or not. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, what products do you provide? Now let's wait for the response. And now you might be thinking how this AI assistant is responding to me totally on the basis of my business. And here you can see that I'm getting some of the products provided by this business named as Shop Ease. And here you can check out all the products offered by this store. And here my AI assistant is totally responding to me on the basis of the knowledge base which I have provided to it. And that knowledge base contains details of my business. So right here you can see this is the knowledge base, a document containing details of my business by using which my AI assistant is responding to me. So this knowledge base basically acts as a brain for your AI assistant. So AI assistant fetch the details from this particular knowledge base and resolve the queries of your customers. So here you can see that firstly I have provided my business overview in this knowledge base so that my AI can understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And here you can see that I have provided all the product categories provided by my business, and here you can see the rest of the details such as payment method, shipping and delivery, and here you can check out the return and refund policies. And I have added some frequently asked questions too so that my AI can understand how it has to respond to my customers. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and enter one more question to check it. So here I'm going to enter this question that is, what's the process of ordering the products? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. So here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question, and my AI assistant is providing me the accurate answers based on my questions. So now you can also automate the entire conversations with your clients or customer by using this amazing AI assistant which can be built in without even a single word coding. And I have created this AI assistant by using an amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing AI assistant which is resolving all my customer queries. So now for creating it, let's move on towards the AI assistant page inside Pabbly Chatflow. So right here you can see I'm on the AI assistant page which I have got from the sidebar of the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So for that you just have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount for you. So right here you can see this coupon code that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page, and here I'm on the AI instructions tab, and here I have to select my instruction type. So from here I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, but you can select the rest of the instruction type too. And here I'm getting these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now we are getting this AI configuration section where we have to select the temperature. So now you might be thinking, what is this temperature doing over here? So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But I am going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most friendly temperature. And afterwards we have to select the AI to use, which is already selected as OpenAI. Now you have to select the model from this drop down. So here I am going to select my model as GPT-5 mini. Now we are on this API key section where we have to enter the API key so that we can connect our OpenAI or ChatGPT with Pabbly Chatflow. And for getting the API key, you have to visit this OpenAI APIs key page given on the help desk. And here we are on the OpenAI APIs key page where you can see this option of create new secret key, which you have to select. And here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key button, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. But for now I already have my API key which I have entered. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here you can see that our OpenAI key has been saved successfully, means the connection has been built in. Now we are on this AI assistant settings section from where you can modify some of your AI assistant settings, such as if you want to provide the header or the footer message, then you can just enable these toggles and enter it. And afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant, so you can enter your stop keywords over here. Now we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10, so you can enter the number from 1 to 10. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So here you can modify it according to you. Now let's move on towards our next tab, that is knowledge source, where we have to provide the knowledge base containing details of our business, and you can upload your knowledge base either in .txt or .pdf file format. And if in .pdf you have any image, then there is a limitation of 10 pages. And for downloading your knowledge base in either of these formats, you just have to go towards the knowledge base which you have created, and here on the files menu you will be getting this option for downloads where you can see all these file formats in which you can download your file. But for now I already have downloaded my knowledge base in .txt file format, so I'm going to just upload it. And here I'm landed to my media library where you can see this knowledge base for e-commerce store which I'm going to provide to my AI assistant. And if you want to upload a new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file, and here I'm going to select it and click over this insert button. And here you can see that my file has been uploaded and processed successfully, and we are getting this name and the vector ID of our knowledge base. So this shows that we have successfully provided the knowledge base to our AI assistant according to which it is going to respond. Now let's configure this assistant interface. So right here we are getting this option for header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter my header display heading name as Shop Ease, which is the name of my brand. And as I have provided this header display heading name, you might have observed one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same heading name which I have recently entered. And afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and here we are already getting a subheading name which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And the next we are getting this option for entering the initial message, and here we are already getting initial message which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. So you can enter the heading name, subheading name and the initial message according to you. Now afterwards we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So right here on the footer section you can see this powered by Pabbly label can be seen. Now let's change it to disable and see the changes, and right here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I am going to keep it as enable. Now we are getting this option for footer text. So here you can provide the footer text which can be seen here, that is the privacy policy, and here you can even provide the footer link too. And at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to the WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's move on towards our styling tab and customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. So from here you can select the theme mode, assistant shape, and can change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And you can even provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture too. So this is the simple process for creating this AI assistant which is going to eliminate all your manual conversations with your clients, because this is going to automate all these conversations. Now we just have to enable it by activating this toggle, and for saving it we simply have to click over the Save AI Assistant button, and here our AI Assistant has been saved successfully. Now if you have created your AI Assistant, you might want to embed this AI Assistant to your website, and for that you just have to click over this embed button, and here we are getting this script code which you can paste over your website, and this AI Assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the simple process for embedding the AI Assistant. So now I have shown you how you can create your AI Assistant, how you can customize its styling, how you can save it, activate it, and embed it to your website. Now let me show you one more important task, that is enabling AI Assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. So for that you just have to go towards the settings, where you will see this option of inbox settings which you have to select, and here I'm landed to this page where you just have to scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies which you have to keep enable, and from this field of contact list you can select your all contact or a particular contact list for which you want to enable this AI Assistant, and from this field of AI Assistant you can select the AI Assistant which you want to enable. So this is the simple process for enabling AI Assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let me show you the process of enabling the AI Assistant for a particular chat. So for that you just have to go towards the inbox, and here I'm going to enable AI Assistant for this particular chat. So here I have selected this chat, and on the right hand side you can see this option of choose AI Assistant which you have to select, and from this field of the AI Assistant you can select the AI Assistant which you want to enable. So here I'm going to enable this AI Assistant which I have recently created, so I have selected it. Now let's click over this save button, and here our AI Assistant has been enabled successfully. So this is the simple process for enabling AI Assistant for a particular chat too. So now I have shown you this amazing automation by using which you can automate all your conversations with your clients, and this AI Assistant is going to provide 100% accurate data to your customers. You just have to modify the knowledge base according to the response which you want to send to your users. So now you don't have to manually reply to your customers, because this AI Assistant is going to do so. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.